What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jayda Jonét, and I'm back with another video. And as you already saw by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this 24-inch body wave wig from Alipearl Hair Company. As you see, this wig has so much lace and so much space, so I'm not even going to talk y'all heads off. Let's go ahead and get into it. This is the packaging. I thought it was really cute and perfect for the holiday because it was gold. But first, I'm going to start out with my ball cap method, and I'm going to go on my Erica J glue and apply that all the way across my hairline, right before my hairline. And once that dries clear, I'm going to apply my makeup. This is the Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the shade 12. I have been using 11, but I just grabbed the 12 that day. I don't know why. So this is the wig. It did come curled already, so I went ahead and brushed them out. Then I went in with my alcohol and I cleaned off my hairline for any makeup or oils. I've been liking that wig's been coming pretty much pre-plucked for me not to have to do anything. This wig came pretty much good. I did go in and bleach the knots, but aside from that, I didn't have to do much of anything else. And again, this wig had tons of lace space, so I know that I was gonna have fun with it. So yeah, I'm putting the wig on my head and I'm measuring it to see how it fits, because it did have a little excess, so I just went ahead and cut it. So then I went in my Erica J lace glue and I'm just applying it at the beginning of that wig cap, and I'm just going to smooth it out into a thin layer, and I'm going to keep repeating this until I get my wanted layers. I think I did about 3 or 4 depending on how long you want to wear the wig for. And I just smoothed it up with the back of my comb. Then once it dries clear, as you see, I'm going to go ahead and pull that wig down into that lace and press it down into that glue. Once you push that wig in, you're going to take your comb and comb it back so it can adhere. So here I am showing y'all the box. It came with everything that I needed. So I went ahead and took out the Alipearl lace band and I tied that around my hairline. And for the first time that I do this, I keep it on for 10 minutes. And this is prior to you cutting the lace. So once the timer goes off for 10 minutes, once you have it on, you're going to go ahead and cut that lace off. And then you're going to go in with some type of melting spray, blow dry that into the lace, and then you're going to reapply that lace band for 10 more minutes, 20 minutes total, and you're going to get this outcome. You're going to get that melt. It's going to look like it's in your skin. It's going to look like your scalp. So here I'm just showing y'all the parting room that I had, because it is a 13x6 lace, and it had so much parting space. A lot of companies tend to skimp you out on the lace, but they literally gave you so much. Here I was trying to decide how I want to style my hair. I wanted to do a style that was going to show off all the parting space, because like I said, this is very rare. So I want to make sure that y'all could really see all the parting space that I had. So here I'm going ahead and doing the edges. I was contemplating whether I was going to do a 2-part pony, which I ended up doing, but taking out later on. So this is what y'all see me formulating, but I didn't really finish up with it. So I parted my hair into 3 parts, and then I did my baby hairs on each of the furthest to like the size of my head, and I did 2 swoops on each side and then 2 sideburns, and that was perfect for the look that I wanted. So I was plucking and then I cut. I feel like I even could have did like a little middle edge. I think that kind of would have hit with this look, but I ain't do it. So I'm cutting the edges now after I plucked them. Now I'm going to go in with my pencil flat iron and curl them. And then once you do that, you can take an edge control brush and you're going to use Got To Be gel and Got To Be spray combined. And you're going to use that to swoop your baby hairs. And I be having a problem sometimes with wigs, because I pull my wigs kind of higher up now, because I don't want any glue, any spray on my edges at all. And so y'all, my wigs be hitting my eyebrows, but it be cute. It be cute though, and it's flat. Y'all see the pony, but I actually didn't keep it like this. So later on, a couple days later, I decided that I wanted to do a braided style, and I'm not the best braider, but I feel like it still came out kind of cute. So my goal was to do 4 braids, and I felt like that would really get y'all to really see the lace. So I'm taking advantage of me not having no nails, and I did me some little braids. They still was kind of janky because I wasn't really like being patient. I was really like brushing a little bit, but I feel like the style came out kind of cute. So I was gonna do 4 braids into a ponytail, and that was the look that I was going for. And this was going to help y'all see all the lace and all the parting space. Yeah. I just tied a scrunchie to the back of that, and I was pleased with how it looked. And I don't know if y'all noticed, but I did put a little makeup into the part. So here I'm going to go in with my T3 curlers, and I'm using them as a wand curler. And I'm going to add some little light curls into this hair because it was a little like brushed out. So this is the final look. I was really pleased with how this hair came out. I love when wigs have a lot of parting space because it allows for me to be more fluid with the styles that I can wear. And I was really digging this style. I really liked it. Alipearl never, I never have any issues with them or their hair. The hair was really soft, and the lace quality, can we get into it? Transparent HD is gone. So really love this wig. As always, everything will be linked in the description box below. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.